Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to take a quick look at Tesla here. This stock's still in the same pattern that I've been seeing for a while, and that is lower highs. And you can see like there's 1 point, 2 points right here, and 3 points there. It takes three distinct points to make a trend line. Here we've just got two. This one and this one. I'll do this a little bit better. So we've got two trend lines here, but you can see what's happening. We are getting these lower highs and higher lows, so there's some convergence here. Tesla's been a monster. It can be really tough to trade unless you're doing it fairly short term. So what I would be doing here is hopefully I'll see a pullback. If you get a pullback to say 380 or so, something like that, then watch for a rebound, and then that's when you could take this for a short trade. Not short selling, but just a brief trade, I should say. Because again, resistance is getting pretty low, support's getting pretty high, so the stock's just not going to be making these big swings like it did, say, back there. But on the other hand, if it doesn't pull back, if instead it moves higher, and I'll say above, say 440, that's when I think you can take this stock again, and this would be a pure momentum trade, and then you see how high you can get it going. So anyway, that's all I got. Real short video today. Got something else to do tonight. I'm sure you do too, but I will see you tomorrow morning.